The best Keychron Keyboards is probably one of the most sought-after products in the mechanical keyboard market today, offering a perfect blend of style, functionality, and performance. When picking a Keychron keyboard, consider the switch type, compatibility, and layout options to ensure you get the perfect keyboard for your needs. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 3 Keychron keyboards and their key features plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 3. Keychron K4 Wireless Keyboard. The Keychron K4 is a wireless keyboard that can connect via Bluetooth with up to 3 devices simultaneously, offering flexibility and convenience. With various versions available, including low-profile variants and options with different backlighting, the Keychron K4 allows you to customize your typing experience to suit your preferences. While the K4 has a plastic build and ABS keycaps, it still offers a reliable typing experience out of the box, with the option to upgrade to more durable keycaps if desired. Each K4 keyboard comes with an included keycap puller, making it easy to customize and upgrade your typing experience with ease. The Keychron K4 offers a rare combination of wireless connectivity, customization options, and reliable typing experience at an affordable price point. What we like. If you are looking for a wireless keyboard with multiple customization options at a budget-friendly price point, this is the one for you. The Keychron K4 offers the flexibility of Bluetooth connectivity with up to 3 devices simultaneously and various customization options to suit your needs. What people say. Another great thing about Keychron is that they make a bunch of caps, so you don't have to worry about which F keys do what when you replace the caps. Nice to see 96% keyboards being released. This has 3 height adjustments, thumbs up. The tactile response is great. Quality is top-notch, so I don't mind paying a little extra. Backlighting is perfect. The fact it's rechargeable with the same USB-C I use for my MacBook and Android phone is insanely convenient, but even so I've only needed to charge it a few times over the 3 months I've had it. Number 2. Keychron V-Series. Introducing the Keychron V-Series keyboards, combining premium Q-Series features with budget-friendly K-Series keyboards. These well-built units offer a range of customization options and fall squarely in the mid-range of Keychron's offerings. Our top recommendation is the compact, 75%. Keychron V1 size, but there are also other sizes available including 10 keyless V3 and full-size V6. Choose the size that fits your needs best. Available in carbon black and frosted black colorways, these keyboards offer a nostalgic Y2K aesthetic. Made of durable, high-grade plastic, they are lightweight yet sturdy. The V-Series keyboards feature PBT keycaps and offer the same range of customization options as the Keychron Q6 and Q-Series. Easily replace case foam, stabilizers, switches, and keycaps to suit your preferences. Compatible with VIA companion software, create profiles with customized RGB lighting, macros, and key assignments on any desktop operating system. Keychron branded switches reduce key wobble and offer a smooth typing experience. What we like. If you like mid-range keyboards with customizable RGB lighting and Keychron branded switches, the Keychron V1 is the perfect choice for you. It provides a range of customization options, compatibility with VIA companion software, and a comfortable typing experience. What people say. The brown ones have a satisfying tactile feel and make a quiet noise. Very nice budget keyboard, the Pro Brown switches sounds and feel amazing. It's almost like what you imagine it would feel like when you place a piece in Tetris, tactile enough and satisfying when you bottom out, so I can see why there are some keyboard aficionados out there. Number 1. Keychron Q6. Looking for the best keyboard on the market? The Keychron Q6 offers a premium typing experience with durable PBT keycaps and a gasket-mounted design for a softer feel. The Q6 is the largest model in Keychron's Q-Series lineup, featuring a full numpad, navigational cluster, and function row for maximum productivity. Customize every aspect of your keyboard with the Keychron Q-Series. Switches, keycaps, case foam, you name it. It's the perfect starting point for keyboard enthusiasts. Not a fan of full-size keyboards? Keychron offers various sizes in the Q-Series lineup, from compact to 10 keyless options. Find the perfect fit for your setup. Interested in wireless connectivity? Check out the Keychron Q Pro lineup for the same great features with added convenience. What we like. If you appreciate premium build quality with a durable aluminum case, PBT keycaps, and a gasket-mounted design for a softer typing experience, the Keychron Q6 is the ultimate choice for you. It offers excellent typing quality out of the box and a wide range of customization options for keyboard enthusiasts. What people say. The keyboard has a great response and feel. It keeps up with my keying speed. It registers all my keystrokes. The quiet keys are still a little louder than expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.